Ama yo mare, agbokia kekele go. Mama pano kobe o, arioku onare. Ama yo mare, agbokia kekele go. Since they destroyed my hotel, today was the first time I went to my site. When I saw what happened there, I was perplexed. But I live it just for God. Today, I'm not happy, I'm not in a good mood, but God's intervention is better than whatever you think in life. I want to use this medium to advise my APC member. And please, I'm online, tell people to come and watch because I don't normally do videos. When something is critical, please, because a lot of things is going on. I want to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. If you people like it, if you don't like take it, most especially my APC member. By raising the road that I took before I can acquire that property, well, I live it just for God, and like I said, please, can you please load the music now? Just lower it, take, lower it. Yeah, my Edolites, my APC members, my brothers and sisters in diaspora, may God bless you all. May God save us from coronavirus. May God protect us from coronavirus. Both the male, female brothers and sisters in diaspora, both in West Africa. I pray for you today from my mind. God bless you all. I want to emphasize on what is going on rocking Edo State APC. Well, brothers and sisters, we started when we were being neglected as APC member. Along the line, we started as Agri. From Agri, I came out on social media to plead with my Excellency, President Ikube government, that you should please forgive and forget whatever our party members did because of tomorrow. Everybody saw it on social media. Well, we thank God for today. Today, election is at hand, primary is at hand. I want to advise my Edo youth. Because let me tell you, it's not the only APC member that have paid their dues, that have suffered for this struggle. I want to remember you all, when we were being neglected, when we were being drove away from the various work we were doing, we are talking about quantities and thousands of youth. What pains me so much, and my hotel, I want to tell you, the other thing that pains me so much is the people that died in Mediterranean Sea, that died in Libya Road, based on they want to end their living. They want to become somebody in life. Well, I'll give it 2 minutes silence for them. May their soul rest in peace. I want to tell my APC member today, please, we know a lot of us have paid our dues over this struggle here and there. EPM was not organized because of governorship. EPM was organized because of the people, the party key makers that were being neglected. Most of our party faithful were not discharging away from the party. So for the party not to go at loss, for the party not to lose out, we have to organize ourselves as APC caucus. As we are doing it, a lot of people join hands. I will tell you, I want to beg you, my brothers and sisters, let's throw away personal interest in Edo State government election. Let's have the interest of our people first. And if you want to have the interest of our people, none of you that is not credible. And if somebody is fighting for a governorship, it's one person that must take it. I want to beg you, if you don't want us to gamble, we are not talking about primary. Primary is just secondary. We are talking about the general election. We don't want to gamble with it, APC. Please. I want to beg you all, if we don't want to gamble with this election, we know people suffer along with us. Izeyamu also suffer along with us. Izeyamu was with us because the way he was treated by us, he left the party. I use that English because of the way he was treated by us, he left the party. When Izeyamu was standing alone in PDP, we find it so difficult to win the governorship election. It was a dicey number, even with the abracadabra. Take my word, I said the truth and nothing but the truth. Because today I came and said, I must tell my, if you people are keeping quiet, me, I will not quiet. Because why? I feel for my people. I know what a lot of boys, a lot of youth have suffered in Edo State, both the male and female. I want to tell you, we don't want to gamble with general election. Why the Combe governor is keeping quiet, the national chairman is keeping quiet, is because he imposed somebody on us before, he cannot repeat it again. If we, the party faithful, we love our party, APC, let's give the flag to Pastor Osagie Izeyamu. I know this thing I'm saying now. A lot of people will say, why this boy saying this? Why is he talking like this? My brother, there's no newcomer in politics. It's what you have that you will bring. It's what you have that you will contribute in politics. Izeyamu left the party before with a huge number of APC followers. When he was coming back, he turned 6 times 2. Everybody see the day Izeyamu declared. I want to tell you, Izeyamu have people in Edo North. Izeyamu have people in Eastern Land. Izeyamu have people in Edo South. I want to tell you people, nobody among the aspirants that is not credible. But we don't want to gamble with this general election APC. I want to beg you, let's give the flag. If you say what I'm saying is bad, well, you have your own opinion. Because I've seen it in all ratification. The man that is credible, that our followers, is Pastor Osagie Izeyamu. And if Pastor Sisi declare, we know people that will be defecting. If I promise you, if Pastor get a ticket, you will see a lot of people that will deflect even from the present incumbent government that will join your struggle, even from PDP that will join Pastor. I want to beg you all, let not take governorship so personal. If 5 of us is fighting for governorship, it's one person that must emerge. Who will emerge? If I ask you, my people of Edo State, among these people, who have much followers, is Pastor Osagie Izeyamu. Because why I'm saying this, our youth have sacrificed. Me that is sitting here, I know pains that I passed through. I just came back from my formerly hotel. Let me use that word, my former hotel. That was demolished by the government that I work for to succeed. That is Ikube. We're not bad. If you are a dope boy and citizen of Nigeria, you say you appreciate, you will get to your son. And people were saying, I did it to my brother. If I did it to my brother, I'll pass a course. If I did not, you would share from that course. Because people were saying it. Let me not leave that. That's my family side. I want to tell you, APC follower, wake up from your slumber. The person that have the weight in Edo State now in politics, governorship, is Osagie Iseyamu. Please, I know I was supporting candidate. My candidate, I did not pick one person. But I was saying, if anybody emerged from three of them, I would be very happy. But could you believe? They could not put themselves in order. And I look at it in all ratification. Let's not say primary. If we say primary, we come and go. But who is credible to win general election? I promise you, if you did not give Isaiah and give it to other person, you will see that Ogbede, our vibrant youth, will stand well. Ogbede is our vibrant youth. If you like, you know. If you like, don't. I'm not talking about party. The only person that can withstand, I'm still saying it again, I've said it before in House of Assembly election, that Osaro Abase is the credible person that can win that election. Nobody take it from me until when it comes to pass. I've not said a word since. Today I came out, I did a short video, it did post, it did circulate well, it was short. I said let me do live. Because as I'm doing this now, a lot of people is not happy. Let's throw away your interest. Let's look at the interest of the Edo. Let's look at the interest of the Benin. I want to beg you. Everybody saying, Pastor, he just coming. Pastor, there's no newcomer in politics, I beg you. Now wait till you get, now you will carry join politics. Your name and your equity now be your politics. If you join politics as a legbere, you are a legbere. If you join as a motivator, they will know you as a motivator. If you join as a crowd puller, they will know you as a crowd puller. If you join as people that people love, people will join you. Please, I want to beg you. And my message to national chairman, you know this crisis, we started with our Greek youth. From there, EPM, from there, APC caucus. My national chairman, we are looking at us, giving us hope that the youth will kill Abiola. Hope. They were giving us hope that they give you Abiola. That no, cool down. It's your brother, things will go well. Not until they tag Oshomole along with us. When they tag Oshomole along with us, I was very happy. I swear to God, I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. When they now tag him with us, I say, yes, you are now with us. They are not mentioning your name. So that's how Oshomole was dragging. I will tell you, my national chairman, in this case, you need to talk. But because you are national chairman, I know you silent. But I want to tell my party follower, let's take the national chairman. Since he told me, he said he will not say a word, that you people go and choose your governor. You people, if anybody that the present governor, if he called you, answer him. Listen to him, because APC we are one. The way it is going now, are we operating as one? If we don't want to lose that, please, my national body, my Edo State APC member, both you that were with Odubu, that were with us in our struggle, both you that were with Okriso Gemonye, both you that were with Ariavere, both you that were with Ijalekwe Wulepwe, sorry to say.
I remember when
both you that were with the Debiri, I want to beg you all, open that curtain. Dragon. Now, I want to tell you, please, if you are expecting Oshomole to come and say a word, he will not tell you. Because he knows he has made mistake before. He don't want to repeat. It's not left for the party, key members, the senators, the House of Rep, that from Edo State, House of Assembly and party faithful, I want to beg you up. Stand well because of general election. Stand well because of general election. I know nobody will emerge and neglect you people. Nobody will be worse than what we have seen before. I want to beg you, if we don't want to gamble with this election, I've given you my word. If you like, you emerge tomorrow, you don't remember me, it's left for you. If like anybody emerge, you don't remember our Edo State youth, it's left for you. Your time will soon end. I want to tell you, we need to learn from our mistakes. A general election is a critical one, and most especially what our people are facing presently. If we don't want to lose that, let's put Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu on board. And I will also advise our party member, our party leaders, take Oshomole out of this. Please, a lot of you have been mentioning his name. A lot of you have been mentioning his name. And don't drag him to this. He has never called any one person that go and work for this. He loves everybody as one. Both the present government and you that is fighting for power. If you are expecting Oshomole to say a word, you people will make mistake. The only people that will talk to you people is the party leader. I'm talking to the party leader. Don't look at your primary. Look at your general election. I know why I'm emphasizing today. If you see I'm sweating, my spirit changed when I went to my former hotel. When I saw what went down there, I said today I will tell the world the truth because I'll be keeping quiet. Sorry if you say what I said is bad. Well, time will soon come, we will know. If you say you hear me or you listen to this small boy, I'm a small boy compared to the leaders that we have. But in my age, I'm not small. I want to beg you, please stand well if you love APC. If you love APC, God bless you.